Hello my friends, welcome back, and inside the following videos I am going to show you how to create the search module. If you remember, you already create the basic HTML structure, and if you go back to the index.php you are going to be able to see the division with the ID search. This module will be the position that we are going to be using to display the search module. Let's go back to the administrator, and inside here we are going to go to extensions and module manager. Then we are going to create a new module. We are going to select the search module. Click in there, and in this case you can give any title you want. Search module will be fine for this example. Then the position will be search right there, and what we are going to be activating inside the basic options will be the search button. We are going to click on yes, and then we are going to click on save. Going back, and we are going to refresh. There you are. As you can see, now the search module will be in here. Now before continue, we are going to be modifying the CMS Gray CSS style, because otherwise if you don't modify the settings, well, the following settings that I am going to show you, you are going to create incompatibilities with other browsers. Now right now I am not going to be talking about the incompatibilities, because I am going to be talking about all that inside the last module. So if for some reason you start wondering how I figured out all these settings that we are going to be modifying, well, only by experience and by testing the template in all different browsers, and that will include Internet Explorer 7, 8, 9, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, Safari, and Maxton. Let's go back inside the header. We are going to go right here. First of all, you are going to eliminate all these margin button. Click backspace, Control S, and we are going to go back, right click and upload. Let's click OK, and we are going to refresh. There we are. Next, we are going to increase 10 pixels inside the margin button from the top bar ID. So you are going to go up, and right here, the top bar ID, you are going to change that from 10 to 20. Control S. Then we are going to scroll down, keep going down, and inside the main menu, you are going to eliminate the margin top. Again, how I knew that these settings were the ones that are going to be creating incompatibilities inside the browsers. Well, again, only by testing. And again, I am going to show you all this in the last module. Then inside the menu left wing and the menu right wing, you are going to change this 0 to 18 pixels. Okay? And then you are going to copy, Control C, and then down here, Control V. Let's click Control S to save, and going back, right click and upload, click OK, and we are going to refresh. There we are. Now the next step is take the search module out from the normal flow of the document. And again, how you are going to be able to do that with the position absolute. If you analyze the HTML markup, let me make a selection in here, right click and view selection source. If you notice all this code right here, okay, all that code will be the HTML markup that it is going to be creating the search module. And I already copied that code, so I can show you all that in here. As you can see, this will be the HTML markup. And again, we are going to use the search ID that we create inside the index.php. Let me go back, and all the way down, we are going to open the CSS comments. Right there, search module goes here. There we are, and we are going to close and click enter. Then we are going to open the ID search right there. Let's open the curly brackets and we are going to write down position and absolute. Then semicolon, Control S, and the C index we are going to use 13 in here, semicolon. Now before continue, we are going to right away and hide the label in here. This text, as you can see here, we are going to hide all this text because we don't want to have that. And you can accomplish this very easily with CSS. Let's go back and we are going to analyze the code. If you see in here, this label will be the element that will be displaying this text. So you can actually use this label and this ID. Let me show you what I am going to do. Copy all this, Control C, and down here, Control V, eliminate all this, backspace, and in here, a space and label. Then we are going to use the display property right there, and we are going to select none, semicolon, Control S, and we are going to upload everything so we can check all the changes that we have made. Click OK, going back, and refresh. There you are. As you can see, now this search module will be out from the normal flow of the document and we have hide the search label. What I am going to do now is move the module to the right and to the bottom. So let's go back and we are going to apply in here margin and left, semicolon, and we are going to apply, probably right now will be fine, 650 pixels. Then the margin top we are going to use, let me write there, I am going to use probably 15 pixels, semicolon, Control S, going back, right click and upload. Click OK, and we are going to refresh. There we are. Now as you can see, the module will be in here. On the next video we are going to start applying the background image inside this area, and then we are going to go to the search button.